it's February 9th, and I guess yesterday it was 10 degrees Celsius in Wawa, which would be like around 50 Fahrenheit in February. Snow's been melting since we've been back. I gotta go to town today to get Marianne's vehicle out of storage. It's 20 minutes away from here or something, so I can't go get it with my Mercedes van though because it's broken down again. So you'd think I'd be taking a snow machine February 9th to go to town normally, but taking the motorbike. What the heck? It's like +2, so it's a little above freezing. See how she goes. I think the worst part of this is gonna be the gravel road out to the pavement, because it's gonna be pure ice, I would think. Might get lucky and get a bit of dirt here and there. I figured it would just be a skating rink. Rained a lot last night. Let's go easy and tiptoe down the middle here. There's quite a bit of gravel in it, it seems, so I think we should be able to navigate this pretty simply. No sudden movements. I think that's the worst of it.
As we settled back into the routine of being home, February quickly turned into March, and with that brought the 32nd annual Wawa Ice Fishing Derby. This weekend-long event filled 3 of our local lakes with close to 1,400 participants. Thank you for watching. If you're enjoying this video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons. It's free and greatly supports the channel. And also consider checking out our Patreon page. The link is right here, as well as in the description. And there you can get some real-time updates, behind the scenes content, and more. Hope to see you there.
On a cool down cycle from the sauna right now. Usually I'll do 2 or 3 cycles where you get good and hot. You feel your body temperature going up. I find it's when you start to shiver, you know your body temperature is going up, which sounds kind of weird, but that seems to be how it goes for me anyway. And yeah, usually I'll do 2 or 3 cycles where you come out and cool down, and normally go for a swim or jump in the snow. We don't really have either condition right now. Things are melting, and we have a little bit of snow, but it's going away. And pretty soon the ice will pull away from the shoreline here, and it'll start to get more and more water. It's pretty shallow here, but usually once it gets out around 20 feet or so, you can get out there and get in the water and do a cool down cycle in there. It's a lot more refreshing. And yeah, probably the thing I missed the most being on the road was the sauna. So there we go. Another successful sauna. Good stuff.